Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check bookings in Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check booking in Agoda, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first. Then after opening the Agoda application, you will get to see this homepage at first. Now you just simply have to tap into this My Trips option that you see in the bottom. Just simply tap into My Trips, and after coming into My Trips, you will get to see three options at the top. The first one is upcoming, and the second one is completed, and the third one is cancelled. As you can see here, the upcoming means your next trip that you have booked. If you have booked any trip to here, you will get to see in this upcoming page of your Agoda profile. This way you can easily check your bookings in Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.